Black and brown Americans have been trapped in a vicious cycle of fear, mistrust, self-loathing, murder, mistreatment, underrepresentation, and much, much more. We have been raised to know that this is the status quo, and there's nothing for us to do other than to live with it. So I challenge you all, rather than asking me or another black or brown person how they are doing, ask them what they have experienced. Ask them to help you see the world through their eyes. Ask them to help you remove the veil of ignorance from your sight. This is not just a black and brown issue. This is an American issue. Every American has to do their part, and we all have to work together. Thank you very much.